Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use image carousel widget to show clients logos with Elementor. So if you are building an agency, portfolio or corporate website, then this feature is perfect to use to showcase clients logos in a clean and professional way. So let's dive right in. Now to add carousel, I am adding businesses clients logos all at once in media library first. Okay, now I'm opening a page. I'm creating one section here. In elements, search for a widget app image carousel. So here it is. Now as you drop the widget here, its relevant option will be open on the left side. So here it is asking that a carousel name. So I'm just writing. This is not necessary. I'm just showing you an option. Now here I need to select images which will be in a carousel. So I am adding images which I have uploaded. So I'm selecting all logos and I am create a new gallery. Okay, so as I select the image, immediately a carousel will be generated. Now let's see how much modification is possible with this widget. Now first option is the image resolution. So here you can select the size of the image. I'm keeping it full. Then it is asking slides to show. So for now, 3 slides are showing all at once. So you can change it here. I am making it 4. Then it comes slides to scroll. So here you give select the number that when it goes to left, when it slides, then how much slides should go to the left. So I'm keeping it default because current behavior is fine with me that one by one is going. Next, it is asking for image stretch. It means if you have uneven width height images and you want to set it in a carousel, then this might be useful. So if for demo purpose, I'm adding one image. Okay, now as you can see, this image is not in the proportion of the other images. So I am, let's say image resolution is a medium, thumbnail. Okay, now you can see the difference of carousel look. So it is not that much looking good, but you need to play around with the options to make it proper. So for now we don't need it. Our all logo is a similar width and height. So in carousel they are fitting well. Okay, now we are keeping this no. Navigation, arrows, you have option to show arrows and dots, only arrows and dots. For more elegant look, you can also keep it none and you keep it just auto play. Now I'm keeping it both. For arrows, you can also upload your own image. So I'm uploading my own. Next option is a link. So you can link to media file or custom URL. We don't want to link right now. Then caption. So here you will find image attribute. So whatever you have applied, title, caption, description, you can show that too. Below you will find more additional option to carousel related to animation. So you can play around this and you can get more sleek look. Okay, if I go into the style tab, here you can change a styling of carousel. So initially it is asking for arrow styling, so it is inside. I want to keep it outside. There is no color, so let's put some. Okay, now here you can put the size as well. Pagination inside or outside? I think inside looks fine. Sorry, outside looks fine. You can change the space between the dots. Uh, Default seems okay to me. For active color, let's change it to red. Okay. Next, in next panel, you will find adjustment related to images. So vertical alignment it is asking, but we have similar width and height, so default look is fine with us. For spacing, let's add some. Border type, I want to keep it square only, so this is fine. Let's see it. So let's see the preview. Now let's look at the responsiveness. So I'm going into tablet view. So for me, showing two logos with this width is fine with me. If you want to change it, you can change it here. Here you need to change the icon and select the number. Now if I go to the mobile, this is also fine with me. You can change it here if you want to. And here we go. You have got a beautiful client logo carousel that instantly adds credibility and showing off business partnership with style. Now let me show you another use of this widget. Uh, if you go here and search for a testimonial, so this is available for pro version, but if you are using a free version, then this image carousel can be used as a I mean it can be converted as a testimonial carousel. So how to do that? So for that I'm creating one section. Let me add some space. Okay, again here I am adding image carousel. Now in testimonial carousel, I want to show uh, pagination dots and 3 for testimonial from clients. So for that, I want to add client image and client speak. So I'm adding images first. Let's say we have 4 client testimonials available with us. So I'm creating a new gallery, insert a gallery. Okay, all by default it is showing 3 clients, 3 testimonial, let's say. So I am making it, let's make image medium. Thumbnail is fine, I guess. Okay, thumbnail is fine with us. Now by default I want to show only dots, so arrows are hidden. Now with each client I want to attach a testimonial. So again I am going in the gallery. I'm selecting a client image and adding here some description. Let's say testimonial. So in description, I'm adding all testimonial content. Okay. Now if I go here, then I will find caption. So here I'm selecting description. I think let okay. So this is how we can achieve a testimonial slider. So we need to modify a bit. So I'm going in the style tab. This is fine. Space between the dot is fine. Image. Okay. I'm adding some space. Adding some border radius. Okay. So slides all at once, I want to show only two. Okay, let's see the preview. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.